Money matters. We all know it, but do we really understand it? Financial literacy isn't just a luxury, it's a necessity. It's about taking charge of your life, your dreams, your future. This journey isn't about getting rich quick, it's about building a solid foundation. It's about making smart choices today for a brighter tomorrow. It's about achieving financial freedom. We all have the power within us to achieve financial success. It starts with a single step, a commitment to learning and growing. Are you ready to unlock your wealth potential? Let's embark on this journey together. The first step to financial success? Understanding your money. Track your income, your expenses, your spending habits. Knowledge is power. Next, set clear financial goals. What do you want to achieve? A down payment on a house? Early retirement? Write down your goals and create a plan. Budgeting isn't about restriction, it's about freedom. By allocating your money wisely, you gain control. You make your money work for you, not the other way around. Remember, small changes lead to big results over time. Investing can seem intimidating, but it's a crucial step to building wealth. Start by learning the basics. Explore different investment options: stocks, bonds, mutual funds. Diversification is key. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Spread your investments to manage risk. And remember, investing is a long-term game. Patience is your friend. Seek advice from financial professionals. They can help you create a personalized investment strategy. Remember, the best time to start investing was yesterday. The next best time is today. Have a business idea? Don't be afraid to take the leap. Entrepreneurship offers incredible financial potential. It all starts with a solid business plan. Define your target market, your product or service, and your marketing strategy. Research funding options like small business loans, grants, or investors. Network with other entrepreneurs. Learn from their experiences, share your challenges, and build a support system. Starting a business is hard work, but the rewards can be life-changing. Be passionate, be persistent, and never stop learning. Negotiation isn't just for high-powered executives, it's a valuable life skill. Whether it's a salary negotiation, a car purchase, or a business deal, mastering negotiation is crucial. Know your worth. Research industry standards, practice your pitch, and be prepared to walk away if necessary. Confidence is key. Believe in yourself and your value. Negotiating effectively can save you money, increase your earnings, and open doors to new opportunities. Don't be afraid to ask for what you deserve. Financial success is about more than just numbers. It's about cultivating a positive money mindset. Let go of limiting beliefs. Replace negative thoughts with empowering affirmations. Surround yourself with successful individuals. Learn from their habits, their perspectives, their journeys. Remember, your mindset shapes your reality. Believe in your ability to achieve financial freedom. Visualize your success, take inspired action, and celebrate each milestone along the way. You are capable of amazing things.